So I just watched a video and it's on Ron's channel. So top man Ron for reminding us all, if you've got the Avata 2, there is a new update, especially for the goggles free, because there's something new, which I will be testing out later on, and that's the Paral Loop. Now the Paral Loop, what that is, it's a bit like the Flip, but what it's doing, it's just doing 180, does that sound right? Doing a complete loop. Well, it looks pretty amazing, and that's on your easy acro setting. But at the moment, I'm just downloading the new update on my goggles. I've got all three on, so catch you in a mo when it's all done. So that was interesting. I thought it was just one update, but apparently there's two updates. One for the goggles and one for your Avata. And the second one is more to do with the new goggles that you can use for your Neo, which is the Goggles N3. So, sounds like now, because I'm just looking at it, because I written it down because I don't remember all this stuff, am I? So, on your goggles, which is now the VO1.00.0600, you've got added Paral Loop, which I can't wait to try out. And that, I've just checked that, that's on there now, which is good. And that's obviously in your easy acro mode. And that's only to do, guys, with your motion free controller. Now, I'm not too sure about the other games thing, which I'm getting apparently. Added landing protection when used with the Avata 2. Now, I'm not really sure what that's about. I find the landing thing pretty easy, but I know Yogi, that was out last week, so I'm going to show you a video in the week. He's never flown a drone before, and one thing is that he did notice with the Avata 2, he didn't like the way the landing was. He found it a bit difficult, but anyway, hopefully that's been fixed. Added live view stability when used with the DJI Neo. Now, I've never used live view, and I'm not going to show you anything to do with live view, guys. I just don't see the point of it, but that's been added now with the goggles, and as always, fixed, known issues. So I did all that, and I'll tell you what, make sure your batteries are fully charged, because it was a long time uploading. And as soon as I'd done all that, it said it needed an update for the Avata 2. So I did that as well, and that's all connected with the new goggles for the N3, the Neo, and the N3 goggles. I'm not sure if you could use those goggles with the Avata 2, so it'd be great to hear from you lot out there. If any of you got those new goggles, can you use your Avata 2? Obviously, you can use it on your Neo. But anyway, that's really to do with, the goggles, N3, the support for the N3, and the loop. So that's good to know. So that sounds like, does that mean you can do that with the Neo? So when I go out in a mo, we'll check all that out to see if we can do that. That'd be interesting. So, as I said before, I'll catch you in a mo. So I've just set everything up. I've just gone into the Neo, and it looks like in the easy acro you can do drift, the 180 drift. Oh, sorry, yeah, it's drift, isn't it? And also you can do the flip, but you can't do the Paral Loop in the Neo. Now it's a little bit windy, but I'm still going to put up the drone. We'll see what happens. So, should we get on with it? Okay. Can you hear the wind? It's not that windy really. Right, now I'm going to do the flip. And we'll just go over here a bit. Put it like that a minute. Right, if I go forward, let's do this 180 drift. So that's doing the 180 drift. Let's do it again. Okay, so, and I've just, just crashed it because I wasn't watching what I was doing. So, I'm just going to go and retrieve my Neo, and then what we're going to do then, we're going to go straight into the Avata 2. So my Neo's back. It's quite a sturdy drone, the Neo. But what I think I might do in a later video, I'm going to exchange these prop protectors, get some orange ones, because it's all grey. They always pick colours that it's going to blend in with the thing. I knew where it was anyway, but I just thought if I lost out in a bush or something, it might just need a bit of colour to it. So I'm going to get some of these. I think you can get them on Amazon. I'll let you know when I get them. Anyway, let's get on with the Avata 2. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm just getting it all set up. Now, what I'm trying to do, so you can see what's going to go outside when I do this Paral Loop. You probably won't see it, but ayo. So, let's go into status. We're just checking, switching over the drone to the Avata 2. Right, now I've never done the Paral Acro before, no, the Paral Loop I should say before. So this is going to be interesting, and it looks like you just do it forward, if that's right. Okay, I'm just sending up high. Right, it's saying, do it again. Aircraft flying vertically unable, oh, okay, so I've got to keep it flat. Right, let's do it that way then. Here he goes. I'll tell you what, God, that's a weird effect, but I love it. I'll do it again. Off he goes. Now I'm at 100, yeah, I'm at 109, well, I'm just about 200 foot. So I'm going to bring the drone back round, and we're going to go towards the mine, and we'll just see what happens there. I like to keep a little bit high. Forward it's got to go. Okay, you've got to push the stick forward. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring it around, and we're going to go a little bit lower. Now, when I was watching Ron's video about the update to do mainly with the goggles, he did say one of his friends had it a little bit low. So I'm going down a little bit lower now. I'm just leveling off because he did say, here it goes, nice and slowly. Right, I've got to be, as you can probably see to my right there, I've got some pylons, and I'm just getting a little bit near them. I'm going to go over here a little bit more. Okay, we're going to do it 100 foot. Here he goes. Right, so 100 foot. Okay. We're going to bring it back round. We're going to try a little bit lower, but I know the ground goes down here a bit, so even though I'm 50 foot, I'm going to do it now. 58 foot. Okay, so I think 50 foot is probably a good height to do these sort of things, because you can see there, I'm just going to do it again just before I get to the mine. I'm not going to push my luck. So there you are, the new, I think that is amazing. I mean, I love the flip, and I'll just do a quick flip. Oh no, I've got to change just change it to the flip, sorry. So you're getting carried away here. Here we go, nice flip there. And then maybe 20 foot off the ground. Bring it around. Now, obviously you can do those a little bit lower. And I think it's the same with the 180 drift. Just do it, bring it up. Because I'm left-handed, see, just make things a little bit, okay, without it smacking into the building. So, I'm just going to bring the drone in and we'll have a quick summary. So that Paral Loop, guys, amazing. I think that's the best one of it all. I did like the 180 drift. I quite like that effect, especially when you're ending a video or something like that. The flip's all right, but I tell you what, that that Paral Loop, it does slow the drone down. You get a nice complete circle. Obviously, making sure you've got to be well, I would say 50 foot off the ground really. Anything lower, you're pushing it. But yeah, I like that. So that's a good update, and well done for DJI for putting that on there. But unfortunately, it's not on the Neo. You can do the other stuff, the drift and the slide. That was the one I couldn't think of, and obviously the 180 drift. You can do those on the Neo, which is that's not bad, is it? But guys, I would love to hear from the guys that just bought the new goggles, which is the Goggles N3. Can you use them on your Avata? And if you've got the same, it looks like you've got the same, but as I haven't got one, I can't say, oh yeah, you can do it. So the people that's got it, just add it below in the comments. It helps us all. I ain't gonna buy another set of goggles. I've got enough at the moment. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's more to do with an update. I wanted to show you this new Paral Loop. I love it. So, as always, there's going to be another video coming very soon.